work on my lawn because the grass was damaged due to the construction work done on the backyard of my house. I did some home addition, and there's a lot of traffic and heavy equipment ran over my yard, so the grass was damaged. So I did dig the soil, put the grass seed, and then I put this EG straw. So let's go back here and see how much lawn work I did. So here's a small purchase, but this is the home edition I did, and the people came and run the equipment, dig the soil. So I had to leave 2 days work. This is after running the roller. So first I had to dig the soil using this tiller. So I used this electrical tiller and dig the soil 2-3 inch, and then I level the soil with a leveler that's there. I use this leveler, so this much area, it's almost 2000 square feet. I should say more than 2000 square feet. And after digging the soil, I had to level the soil, grade the soil. So for grading I use this tool, it's called grader. And see the back side, I did a lot of work here. And after grading, I remove all the stones, and there are lots of stones. See the piles of stones I removed from there. Okay, so then I put the seeds. So what seeds I used? No, but then I put the fertilizer. So this is the fertilizer I used. This is the fertilizer. I got it from Manor. This is controlled release. It's for help establish new grass faster and stronger. And then the fertilizer I use these seeds. So I use two types of seeds. One is Sedi lawn and another is Sun and Sedi lawn. I trust that packet. Okay, so after putting the seeds, I rack the soil using this rack tool. This one, I rack it using this one, and then racking, I use this roller to roll the soil and press the seeds into the soil, so the seed will be in contact with the soil. Next and last thing I have to do, put the straw, cover the soil and cover the seeds so that the birds will not eat the seeds, or there will be moisture which will help to keep the germination, will help to germinate the seeds. So next thing is the put the EG straw on the top of the soil to cover it. Okay.